I spent about 400,000 on Pokemon cards.
What if you mean that's not gambling?
Trying to get that big get fat Pikachu, you know? Pull that.
Oh, you've lost.
Hi, my name is David, and this is a checkup audit. So last time we went over like my budgeting, my finances, and like my hobbies and whatnot. Not much has changed since then. I still play Magic. I started photographing with old film cameras and whatnot. That's been fine. And hiking and camping with friends. So yeah, not much. I picked up ice skating. I picked some nice hockey skates from Facebook Marketplace for like 25 bucks, which was nice. But yeah, and I've been selling my Magic cards of bulk to offset some costs, but we will go through this. I don't have a full like comprehensive thing because most of like I checked over like what I buy and like it's pretty listed down. I have it mostly all here. So, because it's just like mostly food, or if it's a hobby, I put it down on the hobby expense. So, yeah. So on average, I make $42,000 a year after taxes about. And then I don't really count the tax refund that just goes into my Roth IRA. We do have a Roth IRA now. We did open up a SoFi checking account, so that just goes in there as an emergency saving fund. I have about 5K in there, which is really nice to have because I needed some to fix up my car because it broke again. Because last year it broke because some relay was bad. Or I have the relay around here somewhere, but it was used so much, but that doesn't really matter too much to pertain to this. So yeah, and then we have a regular checking account that we put all the money in and out. I want to open up a new business account for an LLC and all that, but I need to do the research to see how I want to open up a business, see if I want to link it to a YouTube or just like a business for business expenses and stuff like that. So my rents did go up. I went from $0 to $275 a month. I still live with my parents, so it's pretty cheap, and I'm just trying to save up as much as I can. That's for rent and phone because we share a family plan, so that's my contribution to it. I spend $15 a month on Amazon.com. We use it for Prime at home, and then we also use it for like purchasing and whatnot and stuff for that 2-day delivery. Me, my father, my brother, and my mother, we all send stuff down here a lot, so we saved a lot on the shipping, so that's pretty okay. I got a new gym. I'm no longer with Planet Fitness, unfortunately. It's a little bit more hardcore, which is really nice, but it did go from 24 to 39. I do spend about $400 on groceries, but that is split between me and my brother. So that is pretty nice. We go through it. It's good. So it's just like I save a lot. I remember I was looking at some really nice chicken nuggets that we got, and it goes from like $4 or $5 for like a 4-piece to all the way to like 50 cents per serving, which is really nice. And then I save $133 per month for car insurance for my regular car and my bicycle, motorcycle. Well, I already talked about the accounts. No more debts. Well, technically, I still have my student loans, but at the end of the year, like I said, I do have $134 going into the end of the year, and once by the end of the year hits, that's done. I have more in my checking account that I could push it all in, but I'm just like, it's whatever at this point. They wanted $34 a month, but I'm just like, I just rather not have the interest later on, you know. So yeah. So in total, I spend about $192 a month to live, but that's between me and my brother for rent and food and whatnot, because I pay his portion as well to eat, which is what it is, but it's kind of neato. And then for hobbies and whatnot, I spend about $600, which is about like 30% of what I make a month. So that's pretty good because I want to put 50% towards needs, which is pretty much because I make about $3,500 a month. So almost 50% towards needs, and then that goes, and the rest goes into investing or just my bank account. So yeah, it's a lot faster than this one. It's a lot more cohesive. I just kind of have mostly everything, and I just wanted a quick catch up. Thank you, Caleb Hammer, for inspiring me with all your guests and whatnot to be better. But yeah, so cool. Thank you very much for watching.